Saya manuia malolo soifua lagimā manuia le vaiaso o le ngangana Samoa. We are here in Samoa ma o le aso o lo e mai mua mai I le young, gifted and brown. My name is Moeloto Tiatia. I'm 23 years old. I am a fashion designer and artist by profession. I work here at the School of Fine Arts and Museum. I am a teacher for contextual and history of art and English for all classes. I've been here this is the 4th month. I've been an artist for as long as I can remember. My style passion for the arts is more contemporary. I use my imagination to depict sea creatures, and also I am a big fan of hieroglyphics. I use Bible scriptures, Samoan songs, Samoan stories to write in hieroglyphic style using motifs, patterns from around the world, and also Samoan native patterns. I do fashion. So most of my paintings that I do hieroglyphically, they are then put into prints, like the garment I'm wearing right now. I think my grandma is one of my fashion icons. Not only that, she was very artistic and very creative with how she made her own garments when she would sew. The Miss Samoa pageant I competed in was the one in 2023. The pageant wasn't about a sash and crown. It was about utilizing the platform to advocate for more recognition to the school, and also a wake-up call to our youth about our language and our culture. My talent for the Miss Samoa pageant, it has 3 large canvases, one in the middle that had no painting on it, but an orange sunset, and next to it were 2 other canvases, a purple one that had a silhouette of my grandpa and a green one that had a silhouette of my grandma. I feel like I just spilled everything, my heart and my soul, onto the stage that night. It was a tribute to my grandparents and also to everyone who has molded me to be the person I am today. The people who inspired me about Siva Samoa is the reason why I'm passionate. I was taught by my grandma since I was 2. I've been doing it ever since. They really immersed me into the Siva Samoa. I think in my learning, it was be yourself. That makes me push myself even more to do it. And not only do it, but also teach. So I think it's, we gotta give back now. We gotta pass it and teach it. We have a lot to offer. I mean, we don't stick to one type of art style. It's very diverse, and Pacific Islanders alone are a very rare breed of artists. I think we are the most talented artists.